In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your job title on LinkedIn. Whether you've started a new position, received a promotion, or simply want to update your profile, keeping your LinkedIn job title current is important for networking and job opportunities. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure your online presence reflects your latest professional achievements. First, head over to linkedin.com and sign in to your account using your credentials. If you don't already have LinkedIn saved in your bookmarks, you can simply type LinkedIn into your search engine and it should appear right at the top. Once you're logged in, let's direct our attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll want to select the View Profile option. Clicking here will take you to your personal LinkedIn profile page, which is essentially your professional digital persona. Now, once you're on your profile page, you'll need to scroll down to the Experience section. But before you do that, take a moment to look through this page, as it's always a good idea to regularly review your entire profile to ensure everything is accurate and up to date. Once you're ready, go ahead and scroll down until you find the Experience section. This is where all your listed job roles and positions are displayed. When you find the Experience section, locate the position you wish to update and look for a small pencil icon. That's going to be your edit button. Clicking this pencil icon will open up an edit window for your job information. You'll now see a list of your current and past job roles. Identify the specific job title that you want to change and click on the pencil icon next to it to begin editing. Now that you've opened the job editing field, simply go to the job title section and enter your new title. Make sure to be precise and use correct spellings and capitalizations, as this information will be viewed by your network as well as potential employers. Once you're satisfied with the changes, it's crucial to double check for any errors. After reviewing your new job title and ensuring everything looks perfect, you're ready to finalize your update. To finish, find the Save button, which is typically located at the bottom of the editing window, and click it. Congratulations, you've successfully updated your job title on LinkedIn. Keeping your profile up to date with your latest roles is a key part of maintaining a professional online presence. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, an updated LinkedIn profile can be a powerful tool in your career journey. Thanks for tuning in and see you next time for more tips and guides.